what do you do with batteries you no longer need? Maybe they're bad, or they're just, well, kind of, we work on different vehicles and they kind of end up all over the place. Well, instead of having, just laying around in your yard, why don't you make some money off of it, or even recycling it? Now, if you're like me and sometimes you end up with more batteries than you need, and you're like, what do I do with them? Well, if you don't need it for a core, as in you have your bad battery, you take it up to the auto shop and you give them that as a core, they take some money off of the price. Not really, they add on, but then they give you your money back and then you buy a new battery. If you don't need those batteries, then you got a couple of options. One, you can take it to your local recycling center. Sometimes they're at the landfill and they may charge you for it. It kind of depends on the place. Another way that you can recycle your battery is to sell it to a battery shop. Sometimes they buy them, but most likely you're going to be like me. You're going to visit these auto parts stores all the time. Now, there's 3 auto parts stores that I frequent very often. Well, 2, because one of them I really don't care for. But there's AutoZone, O'Reilly, and Advance Auto. And most likely, if you live in near about any part of the United States, you'll be able to come across one of those 3, all 3. And then I'm going to show you how much they all give you for your used battery. And go to a place like this, O'Reilly's. They'll give you $10 for a car battery. That's one way to recycle it. And you don't even have to buy a battery from them. They'll just got a used battery you don't need anymore. Take it up there, they give you $10 for it. And then I said, how about lawnmower batteries? And they said, yep, we'll give you $10 for those too. I went, sweet. So yeah, I think I got a lawnmower battery. And what they'll do, they won't give you cash back, but they'll give you one of these. And it's a store card, gift card. And that way you can just kind of save it. And if you want to add more to it, but you know what? I think I need an oil change. And this place offers nothing for a battery, other than you just, as a core charge. So Advance, you don't get nothing there. And I called and asked AutoZone, well, do you buy used batteries? And they said, yeah, we do. We'll give you a $10 credit. So go AutoZone and go O'Reilly. Advance, come on. Take your battery you no longer need and make some money off of it. And I'm going to get a $10 credit. Mailman Mechanic, see you at the mailbox.